There is no doubt the world will be watching the trial of former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin, accused in the murder of George Floyd. Central Florida criminal defense attorney Jose Baez landed in the national spotlight when he defended Casey Anthony against charges she murdered her young daughter Kaylee. Baez says while the deeper issues at stake in the Chauvin trial can in no way compare to the Anthony trial, he does know what it's like to represent a defendant who has been the subject of intense media coverage.
You can't win this case if you don't win jury selection.
Baez says during jury selection, he looked for candidates who would have the willingness to set aside popular opinion.
So you need brave jurors, and that is key number one, is to basically try to find jurors who are brave and aren't going to be swayed by opinions of others.
In the case of George Floyd's death, it would seem unthinkable to find anyone who hasn't seen the video. But Baez believes it is possible to find a rare juror who would be willing to look at it with fresh eyes.
Well, you need people who are willing to say, you know what, I saw that video, I have my opinions, and I'm just curious as to what more could there be, and what happened, what precipitated this.
In the years since the Casey Anthony trial, Baez has continued as a criminal defense attorney, and he has strong feelings against police brutality. But he does hope Chauvin's attorneys do their job well, because he says the world needs to know our justice system is fair. Amanda Dukes reporting, WESH 2 News.
In addition to Casey Anthony, Jose Baez has represented high-profile clients, including former NFL player Aaron Hernandez, who was accused of double murder back in 2012.